control nature, you need to understand it and make its rules work on your terms. That's why we designed the Helix hopper spreaders with a state-of-the-art material delivery system that provides superior material flow to traditional augers. Add a liquid system upgrade kit and you've got a spreader that can do it all. Build your empire with the SnowEx Helix hopper spreaders.
A dedication to innovation and technology. It's what you've come to expect from SnowEx. We like it that way. Introducing the all-new compact Helix stainless steel hopper spreader from SnowEx. The right ice control tool for your half-ton or light-duty truck. Designed to give you the same technology and features of SnowEx's larger Helix hopper spreaders, but in a smaller package for those jobs that require it. Features that provide all the efficiency, precision, and performance you need. Designed to do the job the way you need it to be done. The all-new compact Helix stainless steel hopper spreader from SnowEx. Built for your half-ton or light-duty truck.